Okay, good morning, student. Day by day, we are revising the papers from Navneet or Prakashan, from newspaper also. So in today's Lok Satta paper, one algebra paper came with a reduced syllabus that we will start. To my last year batch, means March 2020 batch, for them I have given one slogan to each and every student. All are equal for me, all sons and daughters. I have given one slogan that you are not born to repeat the history, you are born to create the history. Like that, to this batch, May 2021 batch, I would like to give different one slogan to each and every my son and daughter. That slogan is you have to remember till the end of the exam. That slogan is जीतना है तो जिद करो. द मंजिल विच यू वांट, पीछे भागना पड़ेगा, मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. तो जीतना है तो जिद करो. जिस दिन यहां जिद, दुनिया की कोई ताकत आपको रोक नहीं पाएगी. तो मोटिवेट बाय योरसेल्फ ओनली. So we'll start algebra paper. In today's Lok Satta paper, they have given one algebra with reduced portion. Okay. Dx is equal to 27, dy is equal to 9, d is equal to 3. X is what, y is what? So dx by d, dy by d, dx 27 by 3, 9 by 3. So x is equal to 9, y is equal to 3. X square minus mx minus 5. This is first, this is second. Root is given. This is MCQ. Root is given. 2. Find unknown m. So 2 square m2 minus 5. 2 to the 4 minus 2m minus 5 is equal to 0. So minus 2m minus 1 is equal to 0. So minus 2m is equal to 1. M is equal to minus half. T7 is 4. T7 is equal to 4. D is equal to minus 4. A question. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Tn is given. A not given. N given 7. T7. Difference also minus 4. So 6 4s are 24 minus. This goes this side. So A is 24. Probability of B is given 1/3. Number of S also given 24. To find number of B. So probability of B, number of B divided by number of S. B 1/3 B, that we want as 24. So here also you can cut 8 ones are 8. These are MCQs, so no need to show all the method. Just you have to find out the answer. 7, 2, 4, 3. Always have a habit of writing 4 bracket first. Product of 2 bracket minus again product of 2 bracket. So 7, 3, 2, 4. 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. So 21 minus 8 is equal to 13. So final value is 13. A is equal to 2. B is equal to minus 8. C is equal to 8. We have to find out B square minus 4AC. B square 4AC. What is the 8? 8 is a 64. Discriminant value is 0. So roots are real and equal. They are not asked, but if additional questions asked like this, you can write. First term is 1. Last term is 19. What will be the sum of first 10 term? Last term is 19. First term is 1. So find out T10. So, sorry, S10. Sum of 10. S10, Sn is equal to n by 2. T1 plus Tn. N is 10. First term is this. Last term is this. 10 into 20 divided by 2. 200 divided by 2. Correct. Write the sample space of S and the number of sample space when 2 coins are tossed. Two coins. TT, HH, HT, TH. Number of S, how many pair? Both T, both H, HT, TH. Now, new question, question number 2. This is question number 1, A and B. It is good that we are getting a paper with reduced portion. 3x plus y is equal to 10. X minus y is equal to 2. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. So equation 1 plus equation 2, y will cancel. 3x plus x, 4x. This is 12. 4 3s are. Substitute in a simple equation. So this goes this side. So it becomes minus. This becomes plus. So solution, x first, y second. Find 23rd term. T23 question. Sequence is 9, 4, -1, -6, -11. This. So you know that first term is A. Difference is 4 minus 9 is equal to -5. And n is equal to 23. We want T23 A plus n minus 1 D. Okay, so T23 A N D. T23 any number multiply by 5, put a 0, make it half. 2 2 into 5 means 2 2 0, half 1 1 0. (110 minus 9 is equal to 101 in negative because bigger figure is negative. A die is rolled. And we have to find out prime number. Single die. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then prime number. One is not a prime, 2 is prime, 3 is prime, 5 is prime. So number of S, number of E. So probability of E, number of E divided by number of S. There are two values given for x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1, x is equal to -1. We have to check which is a root of this given equation. So left hand side x square plus 4x minus 5. Again left hand side x square plus 4x minus 5. By substituting x is equal to 1, by substituting x is equal to -1. So 1 square 4 1 5. 1 square 4 minus 1 minus 5. Separate 1 plus 5 minus 5. 5 5 0, so it is 1. Is not equal to 0, is not equal to right hand side. Therefore x is equal to 1. 4 ones are 4, sorry. It is 0, it is equal to right hand side, is a root of equation. 1 ones are 1, this is minus 5, this is also minus 5. 1 minus 10 minus 9 is not equal to 0, is not equal to right hand side. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 is not root of equation. Write the first three terms of AP whose common difference is minus 3. Common difference minus 3. First is 4. We have to find out first three terms. So A is equal to T1 is equal to 4. T2 is equal to T1 plus difference. 4 minus 3, it is 1. T3 is equal to T2 plus difference. That is 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. So it is 4, 1 minus 3 minus 2. Like that. First term you know the difference, and difference is negative. So the series goes on decreasing. Find the determinant value of 3 root 6 minus 4 root 2 5 root 3 x. And the value is given, sorry, 26 root 6. Find x. Again, when this type of the determinant is given, have a habit of writing 4 bracket. So first bracket, second bracket, third bracket, 4 bracket. The answer is given 26 root 6. First always this 3 root 6 x, 4 root 2, 5 root 3. 3 root 6 x minus minus plus 20 root 6 is equal to 26 root 6. Now this comes this side. 3 root 6 are simple. Divide by root 6, all the terms. So root 6 gone. So 3x plus 20 is equal to 26. Root 6, root 6, root 6. Now 3x. X is equal to 6 by 3. 3 2s are. So it should be 2. Because 2 3s are 6. And this is 20. 20 root 6 plus 6 root 6. It is 26 root 6. Today I have sent one of my best and favorite motivational short story with a very good location of forest. So try to understand each and every word. And maximum number of the students are not attending my video or Google Classroom or live lecture. Now madam have asked for the attendance. and definitely they will not get the hall ticket. So now the action I will not take, school will take the action. So uh, please follow all the rules and regulation. Next, in a bag there are 15 tickets bearing the number from 1 to 15. So S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are the tickets having these numbers 1 to 15. Now, find the probability that the tickets drawn is a number multiple of 3. A, numbers multiple of 3. So A, 3 ones are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So number of S, number of A. So probability of A, number of A divided by number of S. 1 by 5. 2y square plus 27y plus 13. I can understand that before March to this around 12 months you are working on online, you must be also get bored. But from my side, I have tried to improve a lot. In the March month, no, we have prepared board by that A4 size white paper and with the plastic and all that. Slowly, I have also modified this. I have also try to make it high tech. Then also I have added my student speech. Sometime I am sending my recorded video with good lines, good poem, good motivational story. My students are also involved in this campaigning of motivation. So day by day, I want to make this event memorable, audible, something change that you will not get bored. But from your side, no, student side, very less response. On an average, till now, around 20 to 50 students only present out of 240 students. So very less response. So now school also will take the action. Uh, all teachers are working for you. They are doing very hard work for you. Every day I think to make it is interesting, to make it melodious, or to bring something new that you will get benefit in the SSC board exam. This year, no, my and our school expectation is very high because already math science result we have given 100%. Now quality result I want. So if this type of the response I will get, no, my full on this hard work will wane. So I need your support. I need your presence. 13 to the 26, 26 ones are when the product is less than the middle term, when product of A and C is less than B, at that time only one is possible. 100%. Check. as many question. 2y square plus 26y plus y plus 13 is equal to 0. 2y y plus 2 sorry 2 13 to 0 plus 1 y plus 13. Common of common. So y plus 13 is equal to 0 or 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 13 or y is equal to minus 1 by 2. So solution set you have to write. From 10 to 250. Numbers from 10 to 250. So that is 10, 11, 12, 248, 249, 250. Okay. Now we want divisible by 4. So 10 is not 12, 16, 20. 248, 244, 248. Correct. Now we want the number. How many numbers which are only divisible by 4? So A starting point 12. Difference divisible by 4. So naturally 4. And T end last number 248. Again I am repeating that when you want n, don't open the bracket. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. So a plus n, that we don't know. D 4, that we know. This 248. 248 minus 12 is equal to 4 times n minus 1. This I have inverted. 12 less 236 is equal to 4 n minus 1. 4 goes down. 236 divided by 4. 60 for the 340. 60 less of 59. 1 goes this side. So there are total number of 60 which are divisible by 4 in between 10 to 250. Okay. Now one die, instead of the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it has A, B, C, D, E, O. A, B, C, D, E, O. So the number of S is 6. Now vowels. A, E, I, O. Correct. Now we have to find out the probability. So number of S we got. Now number of, now we can write P. For example, Q. Q is this. A, E, O. So number of Q. Probability of Q is equal to number of Q divided by number of S3, 6. Exactly half. Now, very good question. Interchanging of that. But before that, we will see one short because using formula method. Okay. X square plus 10x plus 2 is equal to 0. Comparing with quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is a? What is b? What is c? Discriminant b square minus 4ac. A, C, 100. Correct. Now, solution. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So what is minus b? Minus 10. Plus or minus, what is the answer of this? By 2a. So minus 10 plus or minus 46, 40. So correct. So 2 comes out. All divide by 2. So minus 5 plus or minus root 23. Now x can be minus 5 plus root 23 minus 5 minus root 23. Now one very good question. Interchanging the coefficient of simultaneous equation. Forty-nine x minus 57y is equal to 172. Reversible. 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. This we have to solve. Coefficient are interchanging. A becomes B, B becomes A. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. By adding equation 1 and 2, we get 106 x 106 y is equal to
Sir, 2 minutes left.
2. So divide by 102. So it is x minus y 4. So it is 3. Now same by adding, when coefficient are interchanged by adding, now by subtracting equation 1 minus 2. So 49 minus 57, so minus 8x. Minus 57 minus minus plus 49, so plus, again minus 8y. This minus this, minus 80. Divide by minus 8, so it is x plus y is equal to 10. Now add third and fourth. So x minus y is equal to 4, x plus y is equal to 10. This will cancel. So 2x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 divided by 2, it is 7. So we got this. X plus y is equal to 10. What is x? X is equal to 7. 7 plus y is equal to 10. So y is equal to 10 minus 7. It is 3. So solution, not solution set, it is solution. X is equal to 7, 3. In quadratic equation and in simultaneous equation, you can substitute this two coefficient value into any equation. If it is balanced, then your answer is correct. In quadratic equation also, at the end, you just substitute in rough work while you are checking in last 2 minutes, know that your answer are correct, your units are correct, your symbols are correct. At that time, you can substitute in these two chapter. No, in examination hall only you will come to know that your answer are correct or wrong. Okay, automatically you can tally that, and you can find that your answer is correct or not. So student,